हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू। उम्मीद है आप सब स्वस्थ होंगे और आपकी स्टडी कंटिन्यू चल रही होगी। तो दिस इज डीपी द्विवेदी एंड योर फिजिक्स टीचर, लेक्चर नंबर 5, चैप्टर फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। तो स्टूडेंट्स, इन प्रीवियस वीडियो you have had equivalent resistance when resistors are combined in series, but in this case there is parallel combination of resistors. You don't remember, in some books resistances are there. कुछ बुक्स में लिखा हुआ है कि पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रेजिस्टेंसेज, वो भी सही हो सकता है, बट एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग देयर शुड बी रजिस्टर्स, because resistance, according to definition, resistance is a property of conductor which opposes the flow of current. It means resistance is a property, but resistor is a device like that. So here when we see that R1, R2, R3 resistances connected in parallel, then it may be we should say R1, R2, R3 resistors are there and they are connected in parallel. So here we will find the equation, the derivation when resistors are connected in parallel combination. So here students, this is a circuit. I hope we will draw. Three resistors are connected in parallel. A battery of B volt is applied here. This is key. When we close key, then current I flows, and at point A current becomes individual I1, I2, I3, but voltage remains same. And from this diagram, total current is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. This equation we will use here. So let us see that we write, let resistors R1, R2 and R3 connected in parallel combination, and a battery of voltage V is also connected. So by Ohm's law we know that potential difference is equal to electric current into resistance. Okay, we can write I is equal to V upon R. This is general way to find current. Now this current divide into three categories of current: I1, I2, I3. So by same way, current flowing through individual resistors are, individual resistor means for R1, then for R2, for R3, then we will have I1 is equal to V upon R1, I2 is equal to V upon R2, and I3 is equal to V upon R3. So now we know that total current I is equal to I1, I2, I3. Now we will put the value of I and I1, I2, I3 here. It becomes V upon R is equal to V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3 students. Now V upon R is equal to, here we take V as a common, then under bracket 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 students. Here B we cancel out, therefore we can finally got R, 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. So student, this is the final derivation or final formula when we want to describe, when we want to find equivalent resistance in case of parallel combination or total resistance in case of parallel combination. Students, there may be 2 resistors, 3 resistors or more than 3 resistors. Similarly, our formula will be, if students there are only 2 resistors, then we can write here 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. This is in the case of when there are 2 resistors. Okay students, and similarly when 2 resistors are there, TWO, 2 resistors are there. This is derivation for when 3 resistors are combined parallel. Okay, now we are talking about when 2 resistors are there, then formula आपका ये होगा, but this can be written also as 1 upon R is equal to R1, R2 is LCM here, it can R1 plus R, here R2 plus R1, or finally we can write total यानी equivalent resistance in case when two resistors are combined in parallel, then we can write here capital R is equal to, capital R means equivalent resistance or total resistance is equal to R1 into R2 upon R1 plus R2. This formula you can use in case of when two resistors are connected parallel, then we can find equivalent value of resistance using direct this formula. Otherwise, if there are three resistors, then we will use this formula. Hello students, to write please. So students, here there is a question. This is a question. Write advantages of parallel combination of resistors. So this is to you as a homework. Students, you will write advantages and disadvantages of parallel combination of resistances. Similarly, second question for you. You will write advantages and disadvantages of series combination of resistances or resistors. So remember students, we will have to write advantages and disadvantages for both, means series combination as well as parallel combination of resistances. Okay students, now this is a numerical which is based on parallel combination of resistors. So numerical is 3 resistors of resistances 4 ohm, 6 ohm and 12 ohm are combined in parallel. Okay, find equivalent means total resistance. A battery of 6 volt is applied here. Calculate the current through individual resistors as well as total current. So here students, we have made a diagram circuit where R1, R2, R3, these are 3 resistors, and a 6 volt battery is applied here. When key closed, then I current flows, and I1, I2, I3 are the individual current for resistor R1, R2 and R3. So these are given things. Students, first, as you know, in case of word problem, it may be mathematics or physics or any other subject. If word problem is there, then first of all you should read your question carefully and note given points, and note also which points, which quantities we will find here. I1, I2, I3 and total current. So student, this is total current. Total current. And this is total resistance in case of parallel combination when P denotes parallel. So now by Ohm's law we know V is equal to I into R. I is equal to V upon R. This is master formula. But when in case of individual current, so we will find for I1 is equal to V upon R1. Students, V means voltage. Voltage is constant 6 volt, and R1, R2, R3 are different. Therefore, we will find the values I1, I2, I3 separately. So putting V is 6 volt here and R1 is 4. And when we divide, then 4 1 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20 ampere. So students, this is the individual current I1. Similarly, I2 is equal to V upon R2. V is 6 volt and R2 is here 6. Therefore, it becomes 1 ampere. Similarly, students, for I3, V upon R3. Voltage 6 volt, R3 means 12 ohm. It becomes 0.5 ampere. Students, we have individual currents 1.5 ampere, 1 ampere and 0.5 ampere. Now, we can say total current I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 students here, and we will put the values 1.5 plus 1 plus 0.5, total 3 ampere. So students, this is the answer where we find total current which is 3 ampere, whereas individual currents I1, I2, I3 are 1.5 ampere, 1 ampere and 0.5 ampere. Last one is here to find total resistance in case parallel combination. So you know students, if you want to find total resistance in this case, so you will use formula 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Here this R is equivalent resistance or total resistance in case of parallel combination. So here 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 as you know 4 ohm plus R2 is know 6 ohm and plus R3 you know 12 ohm. 1 upon 4 is equal to here take LCM 12, 4 3 are 12 plus 6 2 are 12 plus 12 1 are 12, 3 to 6, 3 to 5 1 6. Sorry here 1 upon R is there. 1 upon R is equal to 3 to 6, sorry 3 to 5, 5 1 6, 6 upon 12. 6 1 6, 6 2 12. R is equal to 2 ohm. So this is your total resistance. So thus we have solved for individual currents, total current, and now here for total resistance. Students, you can find direct, or you know R is equal to V upon I. This is also formula to find direct total resistance. Here we know total voltage is 6 volt and this I, total I is here 3 ampere. So when we divide by 3 we get 2 ohm. So this is the other way to find if voltage and current are given, so we will use this formula direct to find total equivalent resistance. Otherwise we will use this formula. You know answer will remain same. So okay students, I hope you have understand this solution and you will try to solve different questions based on series and parallel combination from your book NCERT or as Yes Chand. So students, I hope you will write this. Please write the solution. So students, this is numerical number 2. I will hope, मैं उम्मीद करूँगा या हम उम्मीद करेंगे कि आप सॉल्व करेंगे. And I want to explain this question. Consider the electric circuit and you have to calculate total resistance in this circuit and total current flowing in circuit. And we have to understand this circuit. Ammeter, 6 volt battery is applied here. Current I is flowing, and here in this case where there is a parallel combination of 3 resistors R1, R2, R3. Students, R1 6 ohm, R2 6 ohm and R3 6 ohm. These 3 resistors are of same capacity, each for 6 ohm. R4, R5, R6, that is 4 ohm, 3 ohm and 12 ohm. Students, so there are first 3 resistors are in parallel and next 3 resistors are in parallel, and last 7th resistor is R7 which is 1.5 ohm. Students, so this is a circuit. Please read carefully this, understand and solve this numerical. Now students, okay, and if you like this video lecture, you will subscribe, I hope, and take a screenshot. Okay students, now we will meet in next video lecture. So okay students, thanks.